So how much do we love this sink?
Oh my gosh. Prior to this sink, we had a standard, like 2-section small sink. This thing is, this is my favorite part of our house now. The brand is Sinkology. It's right here. And it was super easy to install.
It's massive.
Drop in.
Massive.
Farmhouse sink. So it literally, it just sat in where the other one used to be. So easy to install, and I mean, it's just gorgeous. It doesn't scratch.
I think it adds a lot to the kitchen too.
Yeah, I mean, it changes the whole look of everything. And
so much easier to wash dishes, right?
Yeah,
so much easier
functionality wise, it's just, I mean, I could never, ever go back.
We're super happy with this sink.
Yeah.
It's a chef's sink too, isn't it, kind of?
I mean, they're called farmhouse sinks, because it's, the old kind of farmhouse style, but it's fantastic. It's massive, clearly, and it doesn't, stain. We don't get scratches on it. It still looks brand new, and it gets a lot of use.
Awesome.
Yeah, I love this thing. It's fantastic.